Hello guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. This is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E450 4Matic Sedan. This will be a point of view drive of the new 2022 E450. Looks very, very stylish. Has a full infotainment experience MBUX system, HD displays. Set it to info and take you guys on a brief tour and drive experience of this E450. Let's set it to Sport Plus, which is one of the dynamic select options for the drive modes, and start the car. Let's go for a drive, guys. Now, E450 2022 features a 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine, and it produces 255 horsepower with 273 pound-feet of torque. And this one has been paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and feels great. It's not a V6, which is, as you'd expect with the new direction of Mercedes-Benz, smaller engines, more fuel efficient for the European market. That's why V8s are hard to come by. But let's take this for a drive. Very responsive drive experience. The engine is very balanced. There is a good response from the steering wheel, as well as the brakes are also responsive enough. This E450 has the AMG Night package on the exterior, high gloss black elements, has the upgraded wheels, which are the sport wheels, with the front discs perforated for greater braking capabilities. MG line exterior on the outside. Let's show you one cool feature. Click on the engine. Shows you the battery voltage, air pressure, and performance and engine torque. This E450 has a very good suspension system. Has a drive feel of Airmatic suspension. Quite a good distribution of the weight on the car, and very responsive. Interior look: black piano lacquer trim on the upper dash right here. Steering wheel is actually heated, but it does have black piano lacquer trim material all around it. I'm not sure if I would have optioned this in this black piano material here, which is wood finish. I'd rather go with the full leather experience for the steering wheel, but this is the option on this car. You can see how this can be a fingerprint as well as scratch magnets. Nonetheless, some people may find this elegant. I'd rather option this in full leather. Now, talk about the infotainment here. Everything very, very exclusive. 12.3-inch displays on either side, MBUX system, and down here, haptic feedback on this section for the center console. Also finished in black piano lacquer trim all around. Cup holder section, NFC wireless charging, My phone is right here, USB-C ports right here, and 2 cup holder sections right here. Now the other thing, just close this section. You can see how shiny this material is. You have to be very careful with a set of keys or anything you can scratch this section with. Climate control systems down here, very elegant. There is a single menu button that you press once to engage the digital display for the climate control systems. Round air vents, 4 of them at the center here. Good airflow. What can I say? This is a good build. Love the infotainment, but again, I'd choose a different material for up here because this is just not gonna cut it for a lot of people. Black piano lacquer trim on the driver's side, memory seating 1, 2, 3, heated seats, Burmester high-end speaker system. The other side, same experience for the passenger, memory seating 1, 2, 3, and Burmester high-end speaker system. The seats are standard seats. They do have, however, multi-contour features and side bolstering right here, which means as you drive, you do get some feedback from this section of the seat. I'll swipe up, set it to the sport theme, the experience theme, which is this view you see here. And that feature I showed you guys right away is known as themes. You swipe up, which allows you to change all the displays at the touch of a button. See, just like that, swipe up. You have a trip theme, which brought up the maps, just like this, and all your travel metrics, distance, fuel, range, and other driver package options. Swipe up, experience theme, which is more sporty, sets it to the AMG look. On these digital instrument clusters, they have deep reds and bright yellows. I will set it to Sport Plus. Feels good. Now the 9-speed automatic transmission is quite seamless, and I just love how this car feels on the road. By the way, thigh support for the drive experience, which means the seat has additional bolstering around your thighs, and you can extend using this button right here. Climate control systems will be down here. Press menu button, brings up a visual display of that, electronic, and I'll set it to auto. It's a rather warm day today. It's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Which means it's quite warm inside the car. Now this E-Class sits at a very unique segment, $75,000. That might be a bit much for many people, but for the Mercedes-Benz experience and elegance and style, this usually fits not the young generation, but someone who's well established with a family. Can be a weekend car for going to the restaurants, shopping, and it's an excellent daily driver. Press the menu button again to disengage that. I'm gonna stop right here.